Okay, use my handy dandy compass again. Let's see, from 9 to, let's go down to 4, alright? So I want my radius will be, let's go ahead and draw the center point, right? So I'm going to use this compass to draw every point that is the same distance from that center point. Okay? So I've drawn every point that is the same distance from that center point, and we have a circle. And this was 5 centimeters, and so all the way across is, this is 10 centimeters. That's the diameter. So I know the radius equals 5 centimeters. You might want to write all this down first, while you're solving here. The diameter, I'll just put D for diameter. Well, let's write it again. Diameter. Diameter equals 10 centimeters. What's the area and what's the circumference? So if it gives you the diameter, take half that and you got the radius. You might want to draw a little picture of it. This was pretty cheap. If you're bored at home right now, you can do all kinds of cool stuff with it. Next week we'll do Islamic tile patterns and stuff, fun stuff with a compass and straight edge. Compass and straight edge constructions next week. Okay, stay tuned. Area, once again, our magic formula, pi times radius squared. Last little video next, I'll show a way you can visualize that. Like, how did they come up with that? Who came up with that and how? All right, well, I'll show a little visual proof. And you can put it in your Google search. All right, pi proof, or pi visual proof. Area equals pi times, we found that by dividing the diameter, I get the radius, 5 squared. So the area equals 25 pi. If it asks for using decimal places and an approximation, a good approximation, you're going to put that in your calculator and then round to 2 decimal places, I believe, if it wants hundredths place, right? 25 times 3 would be 75. So it's going to be a little bit bigger than 75, 77, 78 point something. And whatever it is, it's going to be 70 something point. And then, if the thousandths place is 5 or bigger, round up. If not, stick with what you got there. Okay, yeah. So what's the distance around it? I know the distance from here to here because I use this little handy dandy tool. Well, what is the length around it? I can't measure it exactly, but we can know it exactly because it's pi times the diameter. So it is 10 pi. The distance through here is 10. The distance around, a little more than 3 times 10, so it's going to be 30 something. Oh, this one's nice and easy. Because I know that pi is 3.14159, ... So this is going to be 10 times that, 31.4. If you had to round up to the thousandths place, it'd be 42, because it's pi equals 3.1415926 ... All right, no problem solving those.